Poonam from Cyberscam Review, and today I'll be talking about TriumphFX. TriumphFX is a Cyprus-based brokerage company that specializes in providing superior trading and investing solutions in a highly regulated and competitive industry. Since its establishment in 2010, the broker has shown its professionalism to investors, traders, and institutions by the use of its robust NDD and STP order processing models, which are based on price feeds from the biggest suppliers. TriumphFX's primary objective since inception has been to democratize forex trading and make it accessible to all traders. Regardless of the level of expertise or financial resources, as a result, TriumphFX offers a variety of account types and that are suited for both novice and experienced traders. An intuitive interface for placing orders, unmatched broker assistance, and instructional resources. TriumphFX has been licensed by SCY-SEC, a local regulatory body that supervises forex businesses and enterprises engaged in the financial investment sector. Since the company's establishment in Cyprus, simply put, this implies that the broker operates in accordance with all applicable laws and operational standards, with the ultimate goal of protecting customers and preserving market integrity. Additionally, TriumphFX regulatory standards comply completely with European MIFID legislation, allowing it to provide services across the European Economic Area, that is EEA, and beyond. On the other side, TriumphFX is unable to do business in countries where the broker is not licensed, such as Malaysia. TriumphFX is a licensed broker who is continuously monitored and may face sanctions for violations of any laws or regulations, ensuring a safe trading environment for you, the trader. Additionally, TriumphFX, like other CYSEC regulated brokers, is a member of compensation program that protects customers' funds in the event of company's bankruptcy. To trade with TriumphFX, you will use a market-leading MetaTrader 4. This choice is neither surprising nor unfavorable, given that the vast majority of global traders, whether retail or professional, rely on this technology and software, and numerous add-on tools and additional features have been developed to bolster the technology's already formidable capabilities. As a result, you will be able to trade utilizing TriumphFX's robust technology, which is based on STP execution. MT4 comes in a variety of flavors and enables you to trade straight from your browser with similar conditions and tools. Alternatively, for comprehensive tactics and a diverse array of instruments, PC platforms equipped with a mobile app that allows you to stay current on the move are recommended. When comparing software across two brokers, it is obvious that MT4 is which features to add or exclude, which capabilities to include or exclude, and whether to make it accessible for free or for a charge. TriumphFX eventually made updated MT4 versions accessible to all its customers for free, allowing you to take advantage of even more benefits. TriumphFX, like any other broker, provides assistance to its customer in a variety of methods and is only accessible from its Cyprus headquarters during business hours. Although the staff is not accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, or on weekends, we found its responses through live chat or phone lines to be prompt and appropriate. TriumphFX provide markets such as currency and commodities such as gold and silver in which currencies are exchanged on a centralized market through different liquidity providers with whom TriumphFX partners. Due to the restricted range, you should do further research on licensed brokers if you want to trade stocks, futures, or other commodities. TriumphFX reviews reveals that brokers' leverage ratios are set at a level that is considered typical for European traders. Despite ESMA's stringent restriction on retail traders' usage of leverage, as a result, the maximum limit has been set at 1:30. To prevent falling prey to inefficient risk, it is critical to constantly educate yourself on appropriate leverage use. TriumphFX offers three kinds of trading accounts: standard, gold, and premium. All accounts provide the same competitive trading condition and services with enhanced advantages for higher level accounts. TriumphFX pricing approach is centered on low spreads and fractional trading, which means that you will profit from lower spread while preserving TriumphFX trading consistency. Another critical aspect of our TriumphFX review is the method by which you may move funds from or to your trading account. Finally, account administration is conducted entirely online, and TriumphFX has simplified the process of doing transactions through credit card, bank transfer, screen, and NetAlarm. When it comes to TrimFX transfer cost, it is important to double check the terms with the payment provider and broker. Since different countries may have different regulations as a result of international legislation, TrimFX does not charge for bank, wire or e-wallet deposit. Nevertheless, card payments incur a $3 fee. Got scammed by TrimFX? You're not the only victim of the TrimFX scam. We have received many complaints and are here to assist you. Allowing them to retain your money based on allegations of withdrawal difficulty is not a prudent move. You may initiate a chargeback in order to reclaim your money. To schedule free consultation, please contact us through our online chat. Our staff is very skilled in identifying and combating internet investment frauds. Thank you.